What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll know why I have been absent on here. We bought our first house and we moved in recently, so I just want to give you a quick tour and tell you what we've done so far. So here is a look at the downstairs. So this is the main sitting room. We will definitely be doing some work to this right off the bat because we really don't like that window that divides here and the kitchen. It's just not practical for us because we want to put like a fridge on that wall and stuff like that. So that's the first thing that will be going. But other than that, there's not a whole lot of work to be done there. One of my favorite things about the house was definitely the kitchen. It's an extension and the cabinets are quite nice. I think they'll paint really nice. We actually got some furniture with the house as well, which is so handy. It just means we don't have to be looking at that for long. We are definitely getting rid of these floors also, so definitely follow along for that because we're going to be doing reclaimed parquet flooring like my dad has in his house. So this is a full look at the kitchen. It's really big, it's really bright, it's so nice. As I said, we're getting rid of that window in the adjoining rooms, but other than that, really love this space. We initially were going to just move the washing machine into this little downstairs bathroom and do a very low budget makeover in this room, but since then we've decided to sort of make it into a mini utility room, so the jobs are just sort of piling up on this. So we have someone in to do it. You can see my face there. That's how I feel about the money we're spending on this. But anyway, it'll be great when it's done. And now we'll have a look at the upstairs. So this is the main bathroom. I actually really love these wardrobes in this bedroom. I thought they'd be so nice painted with the original handles, but they're actually not very practical. The boiler's in one of them and the chimney breast is there, so that sort of limits how much storage space is there. So I can see us not having these for too long, but I definitely would give them a paint job for a few years and have them styled up that way because I do love the handles. I'm obsessed with particular handles. So yeah, this room is quite nice. You can see the kitchen extension there out the window. But yeah, I really like it. So also this room had original wardrobes as well. Love these ones. Like you can tell that that's sort of my style. And they left us this bed as well, so it's all just a matching set with the dressing table, wardrobes, and the bed. And yeah, just love that furniture. I can see that being painted really nicely. So this is the box room. Shane will probably use this as an office. It's a really nice space. It's just perfect. He has a lot of books, so we're gonna have to, I don't know, like have bookshelves like all around the window, like literally every inch of this room. So hopefully there'll still be enough room in it after that. So this is the converted attic. It's really nice. I think it's called a dormer attic. Is that what it's called? Where the ceiling is a proper height on one side because it's sort of, yeah, like a flat roof, I guess. I don't know. Anyways, it's really nice. It's really spacious. And probably my second favorite thing is the shed out the back, which is hopefully going to be my studio. It's so big, it's lovely, and it's insulated, so I'm really excited about that. The first week was super overwhelming, so we just did like some basic cleaning and ripped up the carpets upstairs just to get rid of some of the smells from the house probably not being occupied and stuff like that. So I'm cutting it with a knife here to try and roll it, but the carpets were actually put in using like really strong nails, so you could imagine it was a pain in the hole to do. But yeah, my mom really helped me, and so has my dad been helping as well. So we've been getting through stuff not too badly. But we really struggled getting these down the stairs by ourselves because Dad wasn't here yet. Onto the red room, just pulling up the carpet here as well, so that the walls, can have their own moment to shine. We're also moving the radiator in this room because we want to put our bed on that wall where the radiator is. So hopefully that'll all be okay. Taking up the carpet in this room was a bit trickier because of the bed, so we just cut it in the middle of the room so that we could pull it up where the bed wasn't, and then do the other side when we move the bed. So it was grand in the end. I think we're talking about vents here because I thought there was just like a vent cover and no vent on the other side. And then my mom was showing me that there was a hole in the wall outside, and I was quite silly. There were stippled ceilings all over the house, so we had to get plasterer in to skim them. So here I am just like cleaning off all the plaster off of all the furniture because this is the room we're going to be staying in for the next while we get the floor done and get our main bedroom sorted. So we're staying in this room, and then the room with the blue walls we'll be having as like a little makeshift sitting room. Here I am packing up all my stuff in Bettystown. I am moving for the second time within like I'd say 11 months. So it was tiring. Also, I thought I would have like less stuff because when I moved, I was like, oh my god, I don't need this much stuff. So I got rid of an awful lot, but I seem to have accumulated more again. So I don't know how that happens in like 10 or 11 months. But here we are. I was losing the will to live at this point, so just had some soup. Had some soup and bread and got all fat and sassy. No, just having some soup and watching TV and motivating myself to get back to it. I really struggle to like motivate myself to pack and stuff like that. So moving is like a nightmare to me. I have to do it all in one burst, or I'll never do it. My best friend actually helped me move from when we moved from Dublin to Bettystown, but she has since moved to New York, so I was just devastated. She actually loves packing, and I was just devastated I had to do this by myself because I was just like, I can't do it. I can't possibly do this. But yeah, I just sort of put everything in bags. The problem was I couldn't overthink it because I'd never get it done, and I just packed all my stuff and I didn't leave anything in my mum and dad's. So like now I'm in my mum and dad's currently and I've no stuff here. So I've been carting stuff back and forth. I need to leave like a little capsule of stuff here. So this was a in progress shot of when we were moving into our makeshift bedroom at the minute. It's cozy for now, it's fine. Follow along to see how the house journey goes.